Welcome to Trending Nails Now. It's me again with our next video. You know, the last time that I did a video with the pink on toes. This time I'm going to do a pink on my fingers. As you can see, I done already the prep it, and I had this on for about 2 weeks and something. And I like to keep my nails longer so that I could be able to maintain the nails to the bottom, which is my nails, and this is the length of my nails here. As you can see, it is growing, it's very long. I try most of the time to just do a refill so it could take care of my nails, and you could take it off only if the nails have a major lifting. You will have to remove it, but my nails haven't lift, so I could be able to refill and go on with another style again. And now I am going to do with just the pink that I had before. And please like and subscribe to my channel at Trending Nails Now. I will try to do more videos like how I put on the nails so that you can see and you can learn at this time, because I know most of us are home and we will be able to help maintain our nails or take care of our nails, because that is also important. As you can see, this small one, I had a little injury to it. I have to tell you, had an injury to it, so I can't have it too long. I bumped it very hard, and the nails actually break off. It was so painful. So if you know that you are a busy person and you're really always in a hurry doing things, I will advise you to let your nail technician know, sorry, so that you wouldn't be able to have that problem. I know some of us can maintain the long nails, which is good. And most of the time, you will see me doing one hand, because most of the time I like to cook. Yes, I could use gloves, but I mostly use my right hand to do many things. And also, I have to learn to do my other hand as well, because sometimes as a nail technician, if you are a right-hander, you have to do a client who have on their left hand, it could be feeling very awkward. So it's a lot of practice, a lot of practice. Once again, I will thank all those that support my channel. I know most of you guys, and I always looking on to see each and every one of you. I'll put on your notification so that you'll be able to know when I'm on the air, and you could ask me many questions. You're free to ask. Now, I will just give you the tips of the things that I do. I'm not saying for everybody else, but what I do, I will teach you what I do. Once again, I will go back with another coat because this one I can still see through there. I have to go with the next coat. My hands are shaking. I'm trying not to make mess and do it as neat as possible. Uh, I still make a little mess. Oh boy. Another coat on this one as well. Forgive me for this camera settings that I have here. You might not see it so clearly, but I promise that I will get a clean one soon. And if some of them I don't see clearly, I will show it over so that you will be able to see. I am a qualified nail technician. For not very long, for 4 years. And I will tell you something. It may look easy, but it's not easy. It's a lot of work, a lot of practice. I have practiced day and night just to get this done. And I remember that I had many sleepless nights because sometimes you get it, your papers knowing that you're done certify or qualify, and that is just not it. There's a lot of practice, a lot of practice. It have to be something that you love. If you don't love this, you won't do it. Anything that you want to do, you have to love it. Because that is something that you have to do for the rest of your life. If you choose to. But I guess if you love something, you wouldn't want to stop doing it. Sometimes it even kills you. Sorry for saying that, but that is true. Now we're going in here now with the top coat. I just love this pink. Next time I promise that I will have a acrylic application again. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and put on your notification so that you will be able to know when I'm coming on air. Thank you all a lot. See you all soon. Be safe out there. And this is it. Bye.